What's the meaning of croupier? Croupier. Croupier.
Croupier. Croupier. A croupier is a person who works in a casino and is responsible for dealing cards, supervising games, and collecting bets. They are also known as dealers and are trained to run various table games, such as blackjack, poker, and roulette. The croupier's role is to ensure that all players follow the rules and that the game runs smoothly. They must be skilled at shuffling cards, handling chips, and making quick calculations. Ultimately, the croupier plays a crucial role in providing a fair and enjoyable gambling experience for customers.